So I low-key thought that was a puddle, but it's actually manure because they were spreading poo-poos today. So we're gonna start the intro. Hold on. So for those of you who don't know, I've lived in Chilliwack, BC my entire life. And there's one thing that I've really wanted to do for a while, and it's hike that waterfall. Basically, there's no hike to this waterfall, and I know lots of people who have tried to bushwhack to it, but it failed miserably. But we're gonna do a different tactic. Basically, we're gonna hike down to the creek, and then that creek, we're gonna walk all the way up until we reach the waterfall, because there's no actual hike to get there. So the only guaranteed way to find the waterfall is to be going up the creek. So that'll be fun. It's really low right now, so there should be a pretty big riverbed. And I honestly don't know how long it's gonna take, but I'm hoping it's not dark. While we're coming back, I don't want it to be dark, because again, we've never been here before, so it's gonna be interesting. Yeah, that's the intro of my video. It's gonna be great.
Have you never hopped up that before? Are you kidding?
So Noah's already like dying on this fence and the car's right there.
Yeah, here we go.
Finn's already bleeding on the
Oh,
side.
Finn's got a bloody forehead.
Finn, you pushing your hand?
Yep.
I got a katana for bushwhacking. That's quite beautiful. So we're making our way up. We're just hiking along the bottom of the creek bed. Just on these large rocks. It's been pretty easy. We all fell into some quicksand there, but it's been going decent, so. We're getting somewhere.
Look at that.
Is that kind of tough? Was that scenic or what? This is Noah. Noah, say hi. Hey. I think we're getting there. That was a sketchy waterfall down there, so. Some of these rocks are just insane though.
This is awesome.
Like,
This is just awesome.
I think we're what, an hour in? If I had to take a quick guess. Yep, go Cam. Waterfall is just right up there, so we're getting there. Just around these next few bends. Hey Noah.
Oh! Going. Oh no.
No.
Dude, I almost died. There's like a 5
I heard you scream.
A 5 foot gap to a rock. I was on like this little rock that was on a tree. As soon as I jumped, the whole thing gives out.
I mean, you
somehow
got a bit of a bloody nose.
I was perfectly fine somehow.
Okay. Hey, this whole rock just moved. This is going from pretty easy to now, I don't know if the camera does any justice, but it's very steep. And it's like the ground's really soft, so I keep on sliding, but I think I'm almost at the top. Oh, we're just down there. So we made it, but I almost died on those cliffs over there. Like, I genuinely thought I was done. But yeah.
Catch him. Come on, come on. They're cuter? Or they aren't? I'm a blonde. What Cheryl has blonde hair? Nah, brunette. Brunette is pretty nice. He definitely has black. That's in.
Hey, stop filming me! Stop filming me!
Hey!
Stop!
Stop! No!
No! No! Stop filming me!
Damn.
Stop filming! Stop filming me!
Oh, 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 oh.
Hey!
Oh no, you did find it.
Stop filming me!
He's filming me. I'm gonna touch him.
I caught it, bro.
Yeah, I'm becoming famous.
Okay, we are currently heading back. So,
I could go now.
wait, we should just like swim there. So instead of taking the cliff, we're gonna take the forest. Oh, this is vibrant.
How did Cameron get down with so fast?
We gotta wait for them now.
Yeah, so basically we got far ahead. We did the little rock climbing section. But now we're waiting for them to even get to the rock climbing section, and it's pretty dark. It was good in the open area, but now that we're in the forest, it's pretty dark. So yeah, we're
Better hope they hurry.
what you say, we're over halfway down now, right?
I would assume so.
Yeah. So we were like, I don't know where we are.
There we go.
I don't know what's happening. We're kind of lost, but it's just.
Oh, hi, Cameron.
Wait, is that? Hold on.
Right there.